5. Florence. Another wedding honeymoon gem from Italy, Florence holds a special place among art and food connoisseurs. Once home to the biggest banking chains in Europe, it gives you ample chance to walk hand in hand in stone streets, enjoy gazing at Michelangelo's David and Duomo's ornate cupola, or just laze around in the Boboli Gardens. And if you have any love for Italian cuisine, this honeymoon location offers the most delicious and sumptuous array of genuine Italian dishes. 4. Paris. An eternally romantic and the best place for honeymoon, Paris is the epitome of culture, sophistication, and romance. Whether you are looking for a quite fine dining experience or to visit some breathtaking sights that swoon the wanderer in you, Paris stands tall in all aspects. 3. Maldives. If you both have a very busy, hectic work schedule that leaves less time for a personal life, you may want to spend your honeymoon in a place that is romantic and completely opposite of the real concrete world. Welcome to the Maldives. It is a remote island chain located in the Indian Ocean and happens to be one of the most sought-after holiday destinations for those who crave a secluded and romantic honeymoon destination. Every resort on these islands offers extravagant services, private bungalows, and super luxurious cabins standing in the shallow beach waters. If tranquil serenity had a word for itself, it would be the Maldives. 2. Austin, Texas. If you are a bit of a hipster, your honeymoon ideas are bound to be a bit different from normal couples. How about a place that has some music, some romance, and a very long, interesting history that speaks loads if you really care to listen? Austin, Texas can fulfill all your fetishes with its scenic sights, trendy bungalow-style hotels, bucolic stays on the outskirts of the city, food trucks, shows, and window shopping destinations. Even if you had some calling for honeymoon sports, this is the place to be. 1. Amalfi Coast, Italy. 10 Best Honeymoon Destination. It is one of the top honeymoon places that fall in almost 8 out of 10 honeymooners' lists. It is a classic romantic town, the one you read about in several novels. Moorish architecture, colorful lounges, azure water, and beaches lined by umbrellas give you enough reasons to unwind with your partner and spend a few lazy hours strolling through streets, dwelling in historical sites, or napping on the dark sandy beaches, soaking some vitamin D.